सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. By the grace of Ishvara and all Acharyas, we have completed Mundakopanishad, Kenopanishad, Kathopanishad and Kaivalyopanishad. Successfully we have completed, and we are entering into Taittiriyopanishad, which belongs to Krishna Yajurveda. Before entering into the proper text, I would like to sum up the previous introduction of Upanishad. Previous introduction means that already I have given in the previous Upanishad classes. I want to sum up, because since this Upanishad is very, very important, it is important to see that again the introduction. Therefore, I would like to give that brief introduction. Every being in this creation desire for sukham. Sukha ichha is there. Sukha ichha is very natural, intrinsic. Ichha means desire. Sukha means happiness, comfort. Nothing wrong in that, to desire for happiness. That sukha ichha naturally drawn the person towards the sadhanam. What is the sadhanam? Sadhana means a means. A means to attain sukha. For example, I consider money as a sadhanam for my sukham. As a human being, I consider money as a sadhanam, a means for me to get sukha. Sukha ichha lead to what? Money ichha. I desire for money. Then money become what? Sadhanam. Dhanam or money will become a sadhanam. So, sukha ichha lead to what? Sadhana ichha, money ichha, dhana ichha. Because it is a means for me. Naturally it leads to sadhana ichha. Sukha ichha leads to sadhana ichha. Why I want money now? Money is not money's sake. Money is not for money's sake. Through money I want to get sukha. Sukha is the sadhyam. What I want? Sukha is the goal of my life. For every being, sukha is the goal of life, destiny. In Sanskrit, we call it as purushartha. Any destiny or goal is called purushartha. Why destiny or destination or goal is called purushartha? Because purushena arthyate iti purushartha. Tatha, second tha. Purushena arthyate means desire by every human being purushena arthyate iti purusharthaha. What are those purusharthas? 4 in number. 4 goals of life. Dharma, first purushartha. Artha, second purushartha, second goal. Kama is the third goal, destination. And moksha, the final goal, fourth destination. Among these 4 purusharthas, destinations, we can classify them into 2. 4 can be divided into 2. First 3 comes under one category, dharma, artha, kama. Dharma means punyam. Artha means prosperity, wealth in any form. Kama means fulfilling my desires, whatever required for this survival of this body. Dharma, artha, kama put together one group. They are all in materialistic in nature. These 3 purusharthas are materialistic in their nature. Materialistic means what? Materialistic means materialistic worldly pleasures. Laukikam anartham. Worldly. Which connected to anatma. Which is connected to this body and the worldly objects. And moksha is another one group, only single. So dharma, artha, kama one group, moksha alone is one group. This dharma, artha, kama put together called prayas. Prayas. Prayas means whoever desire to get these 3, and that path they pursue, it is called Preyo Marga. Preyo Marga. Who desire punya, who desire money, and who desire to fulfill their desires, all put together come under Preyo Marga. Bhautikam, Laukikam, worldly, Anatma Sambandham. Whereas moksha is Shreyo Marga. Spiritual in nature. Spiritual in nature, Shreyo Marga. Now come back to the Sukha Ichha. I want Sukham. This Sukha, how to get? Here Veda is relevant. Since we, the human beings, all of us desire Sukha, Veda is relevant. How many Vedas are there? 4 in number. Rig, Yajus, Sama, Atharvana Veda. 4 Vedas are relevant since the human being desire for Sukha. Why I have to look into Vedas? Because I desire Sukha, Veda talks about Sukha. Therefore, I turn my attention towards Vedas. I turn my attention towards Vedas. Why? Veda talking about Sukha. You may wonder, what Swamini? Veda talking about Sukha? We never know that Veda talking about only rituals. I will tell you, really speaking, Veda talking about only Sukha. I can put that word also, only Sukham. Veda, they have no other job at all. Veda job is only to give Sukham. Then it's fine to look into that Veda or not. It's good. Because we want Sukham, let us see into that Veda which is talking about the Sukha. Now the Sukha Ichcha, I need some sadhanam to get the Sukham. Veda says, according to your Purushartha destinies, so Veda Mata also divided into two categories, Preyas and Shreyas. Because this treasure house of Sukha, we all of us want Sukha. People have 4 Purusharthas. Naturally, where the Sukha, the treasure house Sukha also must be categorized into 2, Preyas and Shreyas. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Preya Marga is called Karma Kanda, Purva Bhaga of Veda. Purva Bhaga of Veda talk about that Preyo Marga, Dharma, Artha, Kama, to give Sukham to this human being. And Veda Anta Bhaga, Jnana Kanda, second portion, Veda Anta Bhaga of Veda, Jnana Kanda, or Anta Bhaga, we can call it as Uttara Mimamsa. Uttara Mimamsa talk about the Shreyo Marga, that is called Moksha Purushartha. That also is Sukham only. Dharma is also meant for Sukham. Artha also meant for Sukham. Kama also meant for Sukham. Moksha also meant for Sukham. But first 3 come only from the Veda Purva. The last one come through only through Veda Anta. Veda Purva is called as Karma Kanda. Dharma, Artha, Kama are dealt in that portion. Moksha or Jnana Marga or Shreyo Marga dealt in end portion of Veda. Therefore it is called Veda Anta. Why it is called Veda Anta? Veda Anta, the end portion of Veda, deals with this Moksha, Shreyo Marga, Jnana Marga. Therefore it is called Veda Anta. புரியுறது இப்படி வேதாந்தம் என்ன? நான் வேதாந்தம் கிளாஸுக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன் அண்ணா. அரே வேதாந்தம்னா என்ன சொல்லு என்ன? அது புரியல அண்ணா. அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. Veda Anta is the end portion of Veda. It is called Shreyo Marga. It discusses about this Moksha Purushartha, which Moksha Purushartha is also desired by the human beings, Sukha Ichcha. Now let us see what are the sadhanams. I am going to give triple S. Sadhanam, Sadhyam, Siddham. Sadhana also start with S. Sadhyam also start with S. And Siddham also begin with the S letter. So triple S. அங்கெல்லாம் ட்ரிபிள் ஆன்டிஜன் எல்லாம் சொல்றானே. இப்படி வேதாந்தத்தில் கூட ட்ரிபிள் எஸ். வாட் இஸ் ட்ரிபிள் எஸ்? சாதன, சாத்திய, சித்தம். What is sadhanam? Sadhanam means a means for attainment of sukha. I gave example only money. Now not only money, there are so many other means, sadhanams. What are those means? Shastra says, Upadhi is a means. Body, Deha is a means. For what? Sukha. Sharira Madhyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. All dharmas, all rituals, all punyams you acquire through the body only. Therefore it is called upadhi. Upadhi is one sadhanam, number one. Number two, this upadhi deha can be happy, can enjoy when that upadhi using objects are intact. When they are intact, the objects I am using, washing machine or telephone or computer or house or car, all this is called vishaya. Because this upadhi is using those vishayas, including other members of the family. Suppose my telephone is not working, how this upadhi can give happy? Many phone calls are coming, Swamini, I am not able to receive. Immediately you are disturbed. So what? Vishaya, telephone also must be intact. Grinder also must be intact. Including my cooker also intact. My washing machine has to be intact. My TV has to be intact. My house servant also must be intact. Car driver must be intact. Everything, even pet dog also must be intact. Otherwise, this upadhi will be disturbed. Therefore, what is another sadhanam? Along with the upadhi, for my sukha, upadhi is the sadhanam. This upadhi sadhana dwara, vishaya, another meaning is vishaya. Here, first we will take sadhana, sadhya, siddha. Even the body is sadhanam, it is sadhyam also. Sadhyam is sukha. Through the body I want to get. Through the body I want to get. Through the vishaya I want to get sukha. Then what is the third one? Lokaha. Lokaha means environment. This loka, higher loka. Ihaloka and paraloka. My neighbors, they also must be very, very cooperative to me. This is called loka. Environment wherever I am living. Even if after this body, if it goes to higher lokas also, the environment must be fine. Yesterday up to 4 o'clock, very hot. Evening, cool. Nice. Lokaha. Because my sukha is depending on my body. Sukha is depending on my gadgets, what am I using? The sukha is depending on the environment, climate, loka. These three are sadhyams also. My destiny. Why? They are giving me happiness. Then Veda Purva says, if you want to keep this body healthy, do Ayush Homam. If you want some Ayush Homa means you can be healthy and you can earn money. Avahanti Homa, if you want to get money, do Avahanti Homa. Certain sadhanas Veda Purva prescribe. Why Veda Purva prescribe? These vratams, fastings, puja, abhishekam, sandhyavandanam, anushtanam, so many rituals, so many pujas. Why Veda prescribe? Because you want sukha. You want sukha for your sake and for your family members' sake. Therefore, what? Do karma. Perform rituals. Do pradakshanam. Or do anga pradakshanam. Yen. You get good health. You will get everything fine. All these things are prescribed by Veda Purva. In different 3 levels it has prescribed. All the actions are prescribed in 3 levels. Kayika, Vachika, Manasa, Karmani. Kayika karma, Vachika karma, Manasika karma. Physical actions. Kayika means physical actions. Vachika means verbal. Physical actions means you perform physically by using your karma indriyani. Doing pradakshinam is kayika karma or manasa karma? Kayika karma. Doing parayanam, vachika karma. So vachika karma. Japa, vachika karma. Japa, there is uccha japa, vachika karma. Manasa japa, manasa karma. So parayanam all come under, if you chant loudly, it is called vachikam karma. And you do dhyanam mentally, that is called manasa karma. Sankalpa, manasa karma. So Upanishad, Veda Purva tells, perform kayika karma, vachika karma, manasa karma by these three sadhanams. You can keep your body, vishayas and all environment congenial for you to get sukha. So karmatrayam or sadhanatrayam, vachika, kayika, vachika, manasa, sadhanatrayam. Karmatrayam, trini karmani or sadhanatrayam. What for these karmas? Sadhyatrayam. Deha, Vishaya, Loka. Upadhi, Vishaya, Loka. Why? I am not interested in this sadhanam or sadhyam. I am interested in what? Sukham. Nobody interested in Anga Pradakshinam. They are interested in the result of Anga Pradakshinam. Nobody is interested in Abhishekam or Ayush Homa, anything. Finally, what is the outcome for me? This is what natural, no? Therefore, sadhanatrayam, sadhyatrayam. Sadhanatrayam means trini karmani at three levels, and trini sadhyani at body, vishaya and loka level. The sadhyam, finally what I get? Sukham. Then Shastra says, sadhanatrayam, sadhyatrayam, along with this there are doshatrayam also. All these three sadhyams, what you are acquiring through three sadhanams, this body, vishaya and loka, all are having defect in their nature. Dosha sahitam. Three doshas again. Ella mooda point irukke. Sadhanatrayam, sadhyatrayam, doshatrayam. What are those doshas, defects? Dukkha mishritatvam. There is a dukkha. You are working for this healthy body. This body has got 6 modifications. It is temporary, parichinnam. It is bound to get old age. It is bound to get disease. It has got limitation. Upadhi level, dukkham misritam. Is a mixture of sorrow. This body is bound to give dukkha. You are working for this body, through body you want to get sukham. But I am telling you, this body gives sukha, alright, but it gives dukkha also. When you are eating murku chidai with pallu, you are happy. But when the pallu gives noppi, the students are Swamini, pallu doctor get up going to Adappa limitation body ki. Not only your body, it is impermanent, it has got its defects. Vyadhi, Jara, Maranam, even Vishayas, whatever you are using, the gadgets, the peoples, even all people come under Vishaya only. Vishinoti, Badhrati iti Vishayaha. The objects will bind the person. Therefore, Vishaya also gives dukkham. Even Loka also give dukkham. Some people like the rain, some people don't like the rain. So all the time you are not happy with the same climate. The Loka also is not the same all the time. It has got dukkham in its own. Not only that, second dosha is atriptikaratvam. There is dissatisfaction. However much Bhagavan has given complexion, height, weight, everything, we are not happy with your pallu verse. We are not happy with our hair, we are not happy with our color complexion. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஒயிட்டா இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் ஸ்கின் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். I never feel happy, contentment இல்லையே, திருப்தி. If I buy one single bedroom flat, no Swamini, double bedroom flat ipo thevai anna. Okay, double bedroom flat has come. No Swamini, now children are grown up, I need the triple bedroom flat. No Swamini, my son want to buy a bungalow. Anna. Trupti, no trupti at all. Atrupti karatvam. I am not happy with this country, I want to go to abroad. Anna. Loka also, I want to change. Atriptikaratvam. Dissatisfaction always be there. You interview a person, are you happy? And fine. Yes, I am fine. Yaru sollamata. Nobody says. Okay, but that will continue. Everything fine. I am waiting for that. What? You know something? He is always waiting for something. Never say I am so content, happy. Atriptikarat. Not only that, third dosha is bandhakatvam. All this body, objects, everything, they'll bind the person. Golden shackle. Golden shackle. If that object, gadget is not there, it's not working, my mind is upset. Phone is not working, blood pressure increased. Anything, if it won't work, whatever I am using, even body is not functioning properly, problem. All the objects, whatever I am using, not functioning properly, problem. Children are not listening my words, problem. Mamiar never listen. Okay. If she won't listen, doesn't matter, but she should not obstruct me. Why you are going to Vedanta class? She'll ask. She'll say, don't go. Problem. Bandhakatvam. Every luxury, body is a luxury, objects are luxury, and loka is also luxury, but all luxuries become a need for us. Slowly we start with a luxury, sofa set. Sofa set luxury. It became a need. Without sofa we can't stay, without AC we cannot stay, then it become a need for me. That's called bandhanam. And always my mind is wandering towards them only. Either thinking always about the body, or the people or the objects in the house, always my mind is lingering there only. Or what about other people, other loka, no? My name and fame, everything I go on thinking. These three doshas are there in this kayika, vachika, manasa, karma dwara. Even if you take care of the body, vishaya and loka, they are not going to keep you permanently happy. These three doshas are there. What to do? What to do? Then some people finding, some mature people. Pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirveda mayat nastyakritah kritena. Some intelligent people, some mature people like you, underline, like you, they think, is there anything without dosha, without defect? Defect-free sukham. Ippo nama sukham with defect. The body has defect. Vishayas have defect. But these are not going to give me sukha. My sukha is in doldrums. My sukha will disappear at any time. It always keeps me to stand on my toes. I do not know when they disappear. Association of the people gives sukha. Same people will disappear. permanently or temporarily, I get dukkha. So same object. While coming, arjane dukkham. While earning money, artha dukkham. And a whole month I have to work and I'll get money. Arjane dukkham. Again, வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணுமே. வியே துக்கம். ஐயோ போயின்னு இருக்கே, ఖర్చాయిன்னு இருக்கே, செலவாயின்னு இருக்கே అని ஒரு துக்கம். And once the whole thing goes, anything fails financially, upset, నాశే దుఃఖం. ఆర్జనే దుఃఖం, వ్యయే దుఃఖం, నాశే దుఃఖం. So therefore, kimartham dukkha bhajanam? Why you are asking for this dukkham? Therefore, Shastra says, a person desires, suppose, I want a defect-free sukha. I want sukha, but I don't want the sukha with 3 defects. Who are interested in 3 defects? Yesterday, nalla irukka Swamini body, inikku da ennamo tagarar pandradana. Servant also, from past 10 years she is working, Swamini. In 1 month varle. 10 years, soul-heartedly she is working. Or 1 day or 2 days she won't come. That's all. This is the nature of that Vishaya. You have to understand. So a person desired for dukkha rahita sukham. Then Veda says, and the station lo board vepalya, may I help you? And the inquiry, may I help you? Adi madri Veda also readily sitting. What? If anybody comes after seeing all these doshas, dharma, artha, kama, in the purusharthas lo dosham irukku, இது வேண்டாம் எனக்கு, இந்த தோஷம் இல்லாதது ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு யாருக்காவது ஒரு நாளுக்காவது ஒரு ஆலோசனை வருமோ நினைச்சு வேத அந்த தட் ஞான காண்ட சைடு ஒரு ஓரமா உட்கார்ந்து இருக்க வேத மாதா. இந்த பர்சன் கோ அண்ட் ஆஸ்க் என்கொயர், வாட், ஏதாவது இருக்கவான், என்னென்ன? நிர்துஷ்டம் வஸ்து அஸ்தி, दोष रहित सुखम अस्ति. दोष रहित सुखम अस्ति. Then this person wonder first thing, நான் இத்தனை நாள் ஓடின்னு இருக்கேன் towards this body, vishayas and loka, and I am suffering with dukkha, atrupti and bandha. இத்தனை நாளா தெரியலையே அண்ணா. You have not asked, that's why I didn't tell you, Veda says. Okay, now I am asking, tell me, what is that dukkha rahitam vastu? That dukkha rahita vastu, it is not a sadhanam, it is not a sadhyam, it is siddham. And the triple S law, first S, second S ruled out. First S, second S are ruled out for this third S. In the third S ku vanda, you are going to get that dosha rahita sukham. Okay, tell me, what is that? Romma asha, sukham venum illiyo? Venuma. Yo vai bhuma tat sukham. Chandogya Upanishad says, in the 7th chapter, Sanat Kumara says to Narada, hey Narada, in this world, what is that gives sukham, you know? Yo vai bhuma. That bhuma is sukham. What is this bhuma? Bhuma is not a name of the lady. Bhuma is called Brahman. Yo vai bhuma tat sukham. Tad amritam. Oh, that bhuma, how to get it? Immediately he want to get it. ஏதோ ஒரு லேடி என்ன கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே வீட்டில் வச்சுக்கிறேன், அப்படி இதெல்லாம் லேடி அல்லப்பா, அது எங்கேயும் கிடைக்காது வெளியில. அப்ப வெளியில கிடைக்காதா, என்ன பண்ணணும்? யூ ஆர் தட் And the Siddha Vastu, Bhuma, Brahman is your real nature. It is unswallowable. Ivanike, Sukham, Nana. And the Sukham vande Brahmaswarupama, Bhuma, and the Bhuma vande, Shastra says, Tat Bhuma, Brahman, Sukham, Nirdushtam Brahma, Dosha Rahitam Brahma, you are. நம்ப முடியலையே, நம்ப முடியாது. அப்போ அதுக்கு என்ன, ஹவு டு கெட் இட், என்ன அப்படி வா வழிக்கு, என்ன பண்ணணும், ஐ வில் கிவ் சாதனம். There is a sadhanam for that. Even though it is siddham, it is as though it is far away from you. Even though it is a siddha vastu, means already accomplished, it is called siddha vastu. It is not away from you, it is not different from you, it is you. Then how to? My conclusion about me is not right. You are thinking you are dukkha swarupam, you are atrupti swarupam, you are struggling, you are thinking you are mortal, you are temporary, you are having vyadhi, jara, manana, you are thinking, Shastra says, that is not right conclusion about you. நம்ம இப்போ என்ன நினைக்கிறோம்னா, நம்ம கன்க்ளூஷன் நம்ம பற்றி எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் சொல்லுவோம். எல்லாருக்கும் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் சுவாமி, என்னை பற்றி என்ன தெரியும். சாஸ்திர சேஸ், உனக்கு தெரியாது. You do not know what you are. You do not know what you are. How my conclusion can be wrong? Yes. 99 times your conclusion will be wrong only. Only one time அது தப்பி தவறி அதையும் சொல்ல முடியாது. என்ன மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக் வேர்ல்ட்லயே நீங்க வாட் டு டாக் ஆஃப் யுவர் ரியல் நேச்சர் சொல்லணுமா? Your conclusion about you is totally wrong. You are thinking you are mortal, you are this body, you are mind, but all these conclusions are wrong. As long as you conclude yourself as a body mind complex, you will get only dosha sahita sukham. As long as you conclude yourself as body mind complex, you will get only that sukha mixed with sorrow. Potentially it mixed with sorrow. One day or other it will come to you onto the surface. And that is the nature of those three sadhyams, upadhi, vishaya, loka, is that dosha sahitam, dosha misritam, unavoidable. You cannot change, you cannot transform, you cannot avoid. Therefore, what? Come to that Jnana Kanda, Veda Anta portion, Shreyo Marga, last Purushartha, Sukha Ichha. You have to recognize not by Kayika Karma, Vachaka Karma, Manasa Karma, Sukha Ichha, desire to be recognized. I want Sukham, but the Sukham comes only by moksha. Not by dharma, not by artha, not by kama, not by these three purusharthas. If you get in your life, if you become a billionaire or millionaire, you can never get this bhuma sukham. If you have a healthy body, all nice children, wonderful children, you will never get this bhuma sukham. But this bhuma sukham is possible only by moksha ichha. Moksha means fourth purushartha alone can give this sukha. Which sukha? Nirdushtam sukham. Nirdushtam means dosha rahitam. Nirdushtam. Dushtam means dukkham. Dosha bhuyishtam dushtam. Dosha rahitam nirdushtam. தோஷமே கிடையாது. இதுல எல்லாமே தோஷம்தான். இந்த மோக்ஷத்துக்காக நீ, if you desire, if you want that sukha, nirdushtam sukha, you have to desire for moksha. Okay, I want moksha. Tell me now how to get that moksha. Then Vedanta says, moksha you get by Atma Jnanam. Sukha Ichha, Dukkha Lesha, Atrupti Lesha Rahita, Sukha Ichha should be converted into moksha Ichha. I want moksha, I want self-realization, I want God realization, I want liberation. Ennappa liberation, one kattara. Why you are shouting? Amma, I want liberation, I want sukha, I want nimmadi shanti. Shantamu leka hange solitaru. Saukyamu ledu. That moksha Ichha you can never get by any other means. Only one means. Take up this Atma Jnanam. Moksha Ichha has to be converted into Atma Jnana Ichha. Okay? Sukha Ichha, Dosha Rahita Sukha Ichha, converted to Anga Sukha Ichha, everybody. Anda Sukha Ichha, Veda Purva, Kaika Karmani, Manasa Karmani, Vachaka Karmani, then you get Dharma Artha, Kama Purushartha, but Radalla Dosham. Adu Venda Inakana, Inge Vanditana, Veda Anta portion lo, Sukha Ichha Irka, Analum, and the Sukha Ichha has to be converted into Moksha Ichha. Make a Sankalpa, I want Moksha. You want Moksha? Then converted the desire into Atma Jnana Ichha. Atma Jnanam alone is called moksha. That moksha alone gives sukha, which is free from defects. Then Atma Jnanam how to get? Ivanukku sukham venum. Adikaga moksha ichha. Moksha ichhakaga ipo enna sollitom? Atma Jnana ichha. Idu appadi sollinde irukkel sukham eppadi varuvan solla maatale anna. Solren konjam wait pannu, porumaiya irappa, aveshapadade, thondarappadade. என்ன ஓடி ஓடி பழக்கம். இங்க கூட ஓடணும்னு ப்ரேயர் பண்றான். என்ன வேதாந்தம் எப்பவுமே ஸ்லோ ப்ராசஸ். இட் இஸ் நாட் லைக் அவர் திஸ் ஃபைனான்சியல் ஷேர் மார்க்கெட் அப் அண்ட் டவுன், ரைசிங் கமிங் டவுன். அது மாதிரி ரிவல்யூஷன் இல்லை இதப்பா, இது இவல்யூஷன். முள்ளமா லைக் எ ஃப்ளவர் பிளாசம். ஹேவ் யூ சீன் எனி ஃப்ளவர் பிளாசம் லைக் திஸ் சடன்லி? No, let's blossom slowly. அதனால கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையாயிடணும். இப்ப இந்த ஆத்ம ஞான இச்சா என்ன கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும்னா சாஸ்திர இச்சா. ஆத்ம ஞானம் can be attained only through Veda Anta portion, that is Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, Brahma Sutra. பிரஸ்தான த்ரயம் alone give. அந்த alone நல்லா அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் அது படிக்கிறேன், இது படிக்கிறேன், அங்கே போறேன், இங்கே போறேன், இதெல்லாம் படி. நாரதர் எல்லாம் படிச்சுட்டு தான் வந்தார். வந்து சனத்குமாரன் கேட்டேன், சோஹம் பகவதா சோச்சாமி, ஐ ஆம் சஃபரிங் இன்ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் ஆல் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ். அது மாதிரி ஆத்ம ஜான இச்சா. நவ் சுக இச்சா டு தோஷரஹித சுக இச்சா ஹேஸ் டு பி கன்வெர்டட் இன்டு மோக்ஷ இச்சா. மோக்ஷ இச்சா ஹேஸ் டு பி கன்வெர்டட் இன்டு Atma Jnana Ichha. Atma Jnana Ichha can be fulfilled only through Veda Anta portion, Shastra. Okay, I want to study Vedanta. Shastram padikanam. Shastram is the pramanam. Shastram is the one sadhanam. Okay, it is a pramanam. Then Shastra you cannot understand by yourself. Shastra Jnana Ichha, if you study yourself, Shastram, ஒண்ணுமே புரியாது. You cannot study on your own. Only a competent Guru, Acharya can unfold that Shastra. He alone can unfold that Nirdushtam Brahma Bhuma. You have to desire for a Guru. நான் எப்படி ஸ்டெப்பு? சுக இச்சா டு மோக்ஷ இச்சா. இந்த படி அப்படியே ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும். எதுக்காக வேதாந்தம் கிளாஸ்க்கு வரவன் தெரியுமா? ஒன்னும் பொழுதுபோக்கல சுவாமி, வீட்டுல வேலை எல்லாம் ஆயிடுத்து, அதுக்காக இங்க வந்துட்டான்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, தப்பி தவறி கூட. மை ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஷுட் நோ வை தே ஆர் கமிங் டு கிளாஸ். நிர்துஷ்ட சுகம் sukha ichha to be converted into moksha ichha, liberation, moksha ichha into atma jnana ichha, atma jnana ichha into shastram pathana ichha. Shastram cannot reveal by itself, guru ichha. I love my guru anna, hey guru ichha na, guru vakya ichha, ஸ்ரவண இச்சா. அந்த குரு ஸ்ரத்தா இருக்கணும். குரு இச்சா மஸ்ட். எங்கேயோ நிறைய பேர் குரு இருக்கா சுவாமி, நான் என்ன போகட்டுமான்னா, கேன் ஐ கோ டு தட் குரு, திஸ் குரு என்ன, ஏ குரு ஹூ கேன் டாக் அபவுட் திஸ் நிர்துஷ்டம் பிரம்மா, அங்கேதான் போ, மணி திருப்பி வேஸ்ட் ஆயிடும் லைஃப்னா. இப்பிறவி தப்பினால் எப்பிறவி வாய்க்கும் மேலதான் பார்க்கணும். அப்போ எப்பிறவி வாய்க்குமோ வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாதே. கோ டு எ ப்ராப்பர் குரு. Go to a proper guru who can unfold the shastra systematically, consistently, who can teach. இங்க 4 வருஷம் இங்க 4 வருஷம் சொல்லி நான் அப்புறம் வரேன், ஒரு 6 மாசம் கழிச்சு இன்னொரு வாட்டி இன்னொரு லெசன் சொல்றேன், இப்படி எல்லாம் படிக்காது. ஒழுங்கா கன்சிஸ்டன்ட்லி சிஸ்டமேட்டிக்கலி படிக்கணும். ஸோ குரு இச்சா மீன்ஸ் ஹியர் குரு வேதாந்த வாக்கியேஷு ஸ்ரவண இச்சா, intense desire to study shastra. வேற வழி இல்லை. முடியலையே சுவாமி, முடியலன்னா முடியும் போது வா அண்ணா. whenever it is time available you come, I am here only, I will wait. வேத அப்படியே வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பான். வேத is not in hurry, you must be hurry. தினயாமின்யோ சாயம் பிராத்தः சிசிரவசந்தோ புனராயாத்தः காலः கிரீடதி கச்சதி ஆயுஹூன. Why are you wasting your time? இப்படி சொல்லி ஏதோ ஒரு சாக்கு சொல்லின்னே இருப்பான். ஏன்னா இன்னும் அந்த மோட்சம் பசி வரல. ஒரே ஒரு காரணம் தான். எப்படி இந்த நிர்துஷ்டமான பிரம்மன் விட முடியும்? How can I miss this moksha? How can I miss this atma jnanam? How can I miss shastra? How can I miss my teacher? How can I miss my shravanam? If I have hunger for moksha. பசி இருந்தா இல்லை, இந்த துஷ்டமான சரீரம், இந்த துஷ்டமான வாழ்க்கை எனக்கு வேண்டான்னு ஒரு டிசைர் வந்தா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி டைம் வில் கம், இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வில் கம், எவ்ரிதிங் வில் கம். அப்போ மற்றதில் யார் பார்ப்பான்னு அவர் பார்ப்பார். யாரு அவர்? ஈஸ்வர. அனன்யாஸ்சிந்தயந்தோ மாம் ஏ ஜனாः பர்யுபாசதே தேஷாம் நித்யாபியுக்தானாம் யோகக்ஷேமம் வஹாம்யஹம். Who desired for me that nirdushtam brahma, my real nature, I will take care of them. But these people are not knowing. Yavan arthavudapane sarvatas samplutodake. In moksha purushartha, dharma, artha, kama are included. In dharma, moksha is not included. In artha, moksha is not included. In kama, moksha is not included. In kama, artha is not included. In artha, kama is not included. In kama, dharma is not included. In one excludes the other first 3. But whereas moksha purushartha includes first 3, pulls like anything. In the Chandogya Upanishad, you put, no, and the நாலாவது என்ன, அந்த டை கேம்ல ஒரு பக்கம் ஒரு டாட் இருக்கும், ரெண்டாவது பக்கம் 2 டாட் இருக்கும், மூணாவது பக்கம் 3 டாட் இருக்கும். இந்த கேம்பிளிங் எல்லாம் விளையாடுவான் தெரியுமா? அதுக்கு இப்போ கேம்பிள்னு சொல்லிட்டேன், காயம். அதுல 4வது பக்கம் 4 இருக்கும். 4 போட்டாமன்னா அதுல 1 2 3 இருக்கா இல்லையா? என்ன புரியலையா? இப்ப விளையாடலையா? ஓகே, அதுல 4 போட்ட 1 போட்ட 2 கிடையாது, அதுல 3 கிடையாது. If you put 2, 3 is not there. If you put 3, 4th is not there. If you put 4, 1 is there, dharma is there, 2 is there, artha is there, the third one, kama is there. மோட்ச புருஷார்த்தால 3 இருக்கு. அப்போ An intelligent person put 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Tell me. I hope you are all intelligent. Huh? That's why you have come here, you want to put 4 moksha purushartha. Naturally, Shastra says, Lord Krishna says in Gita, all Acharya says in Upanishad. Intelligent people recognize this fact as early as possible. Then how to study? Next. It is a guru's job. He will take all burden just to go and sit in front of that guru. அப்போ நான் ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம்னா நீ நிறைய பண்ணணும். என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to listen. But you have to qualify yourself. What qualifications I require? You require Shraddha, Bhakti, faith, tremendous faith on Shastra. I want Dosha Rahitam Sukham. Ayaram, Gayaram Sukham வேண்டாம் எனக்கு. எப்பவுமே இருக்கிற சுகம் வேணும். அதுக்காக மோட்சம் வேணும், அதுக்காக ஆத்ம ஞானம் வேணும், அதுக்காக எனக்கு சாஸ்திரம் வேணும், அதுக்காக குரு வேணும், அதுக்காக ஸ்ரவணம் பண்ணணும். Therefore, this Brahman, Nirdushtam Brahma, cannot be gained through Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, only Shabda Pramanam. That Shabda Pramanam, Veda Pramanam also, Uttara Mimamsa, not Purva Bhaga of Veda. Purva Bhaga of Veda full of rituals. People are even skipping Vedanta class and attending chanting class. Parayanam. Parayanam comes under Vachika Karma, Veda Purva. No Swamini. எனக்கு பாராயணம் படிச்சு ரொம்ப நிம்மதி வரும். வருது இல்லையோ அப்போ அங்கேயே போ கொஞ்ச நாள். என்ன பண்றது? Not knowing the priority of life. Unintelligent, immature people. பாவம் குழந்தைகள் எல்லாமே இன்னசென்ட் பீப்புள். குரு பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பான். என்ன அவனுக்கு பசி இல்லைன்னு எப்படி வருவான்? அம்மா கூட சாப்பாடு போட முடியாது. அவனுக்கு பசி இருந்து அம்மா பசின்னு கேட்டாத மதர் கேன் கிவ் ஃபுட் டு த சைல்ட். Similarly, a student come with the desire, I want to get that Purushartha which gives complete satisfaction to me. These are all incomplete. Purnatvam, complete. The Shastra, that is not Laukika Shabda, this is Nirgunam Brahma, comes only Purva. Bhaga Veda also cannot help you. Uttara Bhaga, Anta portion only gives Sukham. Now, why you want to study Upanishad? Tell me. Why I am interested in mirror? இது எப்படி சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பேன். மிரர்ல am I interested in mirror? Well, I am seeing into mirror. I love mirror. Mirror is a sadhanam to see my face. Is a means. Illiyo? It's a means. Am I interested in the means? கார்ல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குமா? கார்ல போய் சேர்ற டெஸ்டினேஷன்ல இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா உங்களுக்கு? என்ன எவ்வளவு இன்டெலிஜென்ட்டா பாருங்க. யூ ஆர் ஆல் ஹைலி இன்டெலிஜென்ட். இன்டெலிஜென்ட் இல்லைன்னு யாரு சொன்னாரு? உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு. அதுல இருக்கு இது. We are not interested in means. Even looking at the mirror also, I am not interested in the mirror. I am interested in my face. இங்க தொட்டி பார்ப்பேன், அங்க முகம் பார்க்கும்போது இப்படி தொட்டி பார்ப்பேன். இந்த சுவாமி இவ்வளவு எப்படி தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு அழகா இப்படி பண்றது? பார்த்தேனே. எங்க என்ன கார் மிரர்ல பார்க்கிறேன் ஃபேஸ். I am not seeing their dressing table. But when I am traveling in my car, I thought they are looking at me. But really speaking, they are not looking at me. They are adjusting their hair. They are adjusting their face. எல்லாம் தொடங்கிக்கிறேன் அப்படியே. என்னப்பான்னா அப்படி பார்த்தா அவன் முக்கம்ல தான் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். நாட்டு காரு அரு சுவாமினி யாரும் உட்கார்ந்துருக்க என்ன காரணம்? அவனுக்கு என்ன? நாட் ஓன்லி தட், அந்த 2-வீலர்ல ஒரு கண்ணாடி இருக்கு, இப்படி பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பேன். அந்த சிக்னல்ல போகும்போது கொஞ்ச நேரம் கேப், அப்படியே சிக்னல் பார்க்க கூடாது, அங்க பார்க்க மாட்டான், அப்படி மிரர்ல பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பேன். எப்படி இருக்க, காத்துல போயிட்டு இருக்கேன், இந்த ஹேர் கொஞ்சம் இப்படி அப்படி ஆயிருக்கும், எப்படி கரெக்டா இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு. அப்படி சரியா ஆகலைன்னா அந்த கொஞ்ச நேரம் அந்த கோம்பு எடுத்துட்டு இப்படி இப்படி பண்ணுவேன். Who is interested in mirror? I am interested in my face. If it is so, similarly, I am not interested in Shastra. I am not interested in Taittiriya Upanishad or any other Upanishad. I am not interested in any Veda. Why I am interested in Veda, the means, this Pramanamana? Because this is Darpanam. Veda, that which talks Veda Anta portion, that is Upanishad, talking about me. It is a Darpanam. It's like a mirror. It shows my real nature. Not ordinary fleshy face, but it's my real nature. Atma Swarupam. Therefore I love Veda. Therefore I want to study Taittiriya Upanishad. Taittiriya Upanishad, I am not interested in Taittiriya Upanishad. I am interested in me. Which me? Dharma Artha Kamalo RCRM. Mokshalo OC. I am interested in OC, original consciousness. But it's very difficult to understand because it's not visible like body. You cannot feel like mind. But how to get it? There also 3 sadhanams gives. In Jnana Kanda, Shreyo Marga, Shreyascha Preyascha Manushya Metaha Tau Samparitya Vivinakti Dhiraha. Mature people, Dhiraha, courageous people, they vote for Shreyas. That Shreyas, Shreyo Marga, prescribe sadhanam Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam. Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam. This Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam, what do you mean by? I said that sadhana trayam, kayika karmani, வாச்சிக்க கர்மாணி, மானச கர்மாணி, அதை பற்றி நமக்கு தேவை இல்லை, அவ்வளோ எலாபரேட்டா அது எல்லாமே ஏற்கனவே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும். We are interested in that sukha which is free from dukkha. Therefore இது மாத்திரம் இந்த ஞான மார்க்க ஸ்ரேயோ மார்க்கு சம்பந்தமான, இந்த உத்தர மீமாம்சாக்கு சம்பந்தமான அந்த ஆத்ம ஞானம், ஆத்ம வித்யா, பிரம்ம வித்யா, அக்ஷர வித்யா அடையணும்னா அதுக்கு தரோ ஸ்டடி, த்ரெட் பேர் அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும். சூப்பர்ஃபிஷியல் ஸ்டடி, academic scholarship study முடியாது. If you go to Madras University, academically you will get scholarship and you will get, they will give money also, they will teach you. You will become a scholar. You will get certificate also. What? Vedanta Shiromani. Like Vedanta Shiromani kasta Brahma pati chollan. Adida puriyana. Aham Brahmasmi Gnana Adayanu. It is not for academic scholarship's sake. If anybody is having such a notion, better to drop. What? I want to become thorough in Shastra. Enna thorough Shastra? I want to know my real nature ane chollaname tavara. I want to study Shastra. I want to know what is there in the Shastra. What is there? What is there? You are there in the Shastra. You are means Osi, consciousness, Chaitanyam, Brahma, Vishayam. The subject matter of Shastra is you. Why you are interested in Shastra? இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் சொல்லுவா நிறைய பேர். நானும் படிக்கிறேன், நானும் கிளாஸுக்கு போறேன், என்ன படிக்கிறேன்? அந்த அகங்காரம் விடு ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அந்த அகங்காரம் விடணும். Never have an idea of scholarship. அந்த ஸ்காலர்லினஸ் அந்த மைண்ட் வந்ததுன்னா மோக்ஷம் அவுட்னு அர்த்தம். I don't want to create scholars here. I cannot create also. I am not interested in creating scholars. I want to create mumukshus first. I want to make the students to desire for moksha, mumukshus, then later Atma Jnanis, then Brahmanishthas. That is the purpose of these classes. Okay? What for? Finally. Shastra Darpana idukkaha Nirdushta Sukham Brahma Prapyartham. Aham Brahma Asmi. And I have to own up. What is Jnana Marga? What is Shravana Manana Nidhyasanam? We'll see that in the next class and enter into the proper text. This is the important foundation we have to remember all the time why I am studying Shastra. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.